Can I still receive WhatsApp messages or calls if I lose my SIM card?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're discussing an intriguing question that many of us have wondered about. Can we still receive WhatsApp messages or calls if we lose our SIM card?
How does WhatsApp work?
WhatsApp is primarily linked to your phone number, but it doesn't entirely rely on your SIM card for its functioning. When you install WhatsApp, it sends an SMS to your number to verify it. After that, it mainly uses an internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data, to send and receive messages or make calls.
What happens if you lose your SIM card?
So, what happens when you lose your SIM card? Will you still be able to use WhatsApp? The answer is yes. As long as your phone has internet connectivity, you will continue to receive WhatsApp messages and calls even without your SIM card. This is because WhatsApp uses an internet connection, not your cellular network, to send and receive messages.
What if you install WhatsApp on a new device?
Now, if you try to install WhatsApp on a new device with a new SIM card, WhatsApp will require you to verify your phone number again. However, if you don't have access to your original SIM card, you may encounter issues verifying your account. Important note: if your SIM card falls into the wrong hands, and they install WhatsApp on a new device using your number, they could potentially gain access to your account. It's vital to contact your service provider immediately if you lose your SIM card to prevent any misuse of your number. In conclusion, yes, you can still receive WhatsApp messages and calls if you lose your SIM card, as long as your device has an internet connection. Remember to safeguard your SIM card and phone number, as they're vital for your WhatsApp account security. I hope this video has been helpful. Stay safe and take care.